We have Axios Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, that's it. Symbol AXS versus the dollar. And what do we have right here? We have a nice little consolidation right between the 55 and the 21 right here, and also between the 2414 and the 272. Very, very lovely. And I don't really have anything bearish to say about this on it as far as the consolidation goes, as long as you're riding above about $60 or so. Below $60, I would look for a nice correction down to like low 40s. But for right now, this looks okay, I suppose. You know, one of the better actors for like the last few months, obviously, and had some pretty damn phenomenal gains. Anyway, short-term timeframes do look like we have a bit of a local low in right now. I would be looking for extension back up to the top side of the short-term range at about 69.5 or so. Something like this, what I'd be looking towards between this region right here. We just test the lows, obviously, so be looking for a test to the top side of it. 4 hour regular bullish divergence, well, a phantom drive right there. We just want to see jewel support, and that looked pretty damn good. Now a breakout above about, what is it, $70? Yeah, a 4 hour closing, a 4 hour closure above $70 would look pretty damn good for another test somewhere around about $80. And you know, at that point, I consider the consolidation resolved? Probably yes. Probably yes. And I would be looking for general continuation to. I mean, at this point, we've kind of already hit the $100 target. I'd probably be looking for a little bit above $100. You know, make no mistake about it, I'm not calling to move towards 145, but I would keep an eye on that one long term. That should be a big one right there. But for right now, I don't have anything bearish to say about it as long as it's above $60. See what momentum also to say over here. And this one's actually super interesting to me, just because like it's actually giving people a livelihood. Especially in like you know, third world countries and whatnot, or just not as developed countries. Like it's like giving people more opportunities, and that is like really, 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 really. I mean, it's really good, but it's also like that's changing the actual world right now. It's kind of crazy. Like you can fucking make a living playing Pokemon, basically. Anyways, daily will pop back up with any sort of a closure above 68.5. That would actually be above the $70 target for the short-term timeframes. So if daily can pop back above there, that's going to start to look really, really good. 4 hour remains the upside as long as above 63.40, and hourly remains up as long as above 65.60 actually. So short-term good. I'll be looking for continuation here to about $70, and then see if the higher-term timeframes can close above there. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Axie Infinity.